Setting goals is one of the most important things you can do to achieve success in any area of your life. Whether it's in your personal or professional life, goal setting provides you with direction, focus, and motivation to take action and make progress towards what you want to achieve. Here are some tips on how to set goals that will inspire you and keep you motivated. Define your goals. The first step in goal setting is to clearly define what you want to achieve. This involves identifying your specific goals and making them as specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART, as possible. Break down your goals. Once you have defined your goals, break them down into smaller, more manageable tasks. This will help you to avoid feeling overwhelmed and will make it easier to measure your progress along the way. Create a plan. Develop a plan of action to achieve your goals. This should include identifying the resources you will need, setting deadlines, and creating a timeline for completing each task. Stay motivated. Stay motivated by focusing on the benefits of achieving your goals. Visualize yourself achieving your goals and remind yourself of the positive impact it will have on your life. Celebrate your successes. Celebrate your successes along the way. This will help you to stay motivated and will reinforce your belief in yourself and your ability to achieve your goals. Learn from your failures. Don't be afraid of failure. Instead, view it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Use your failures as feedback to refine your approach and to help you achieve your goals more effectively in the future. Stay flexible. Finally, stay flexible and be willing to adapt your goals and approach as you go along. This will help you to stay on track and to adjust your approach if necessary. Remember, goal setting is a powerful tool that can help you to achieve success in any area of your life. By setting SMART goals, breaking them down into manageable tasks, creating a plan of action, staying motivated, celebrating your successes, learning from your failures, and staying flexible, you can achieve your goals and live the life you've always dreamed of.